So I will teach you how to do this. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? By the way, I am with Ethan Hawk. So you can place this in any build you want. For example, imagine this is your build. Check match rotation. So place a glue first, then place a harpoon on it. Make sure you place the harpoon without touching any part of your build. Place hinge like this. Place dynamite on the hinge. Then that's it. You can make your own missile design. You can even add spikes.
But wait a minute, that's an ordinary harpoon, right?
Of course, to make it homing, we need dragon harpoon. But many of us doesn't have it. So don't be discouraged if you don't have the dragon harpoon. For a while, use any other harpoon. Cause why not? It's still deadly, right? Boom! Yeah, still deadly, yeah. So here I replaced mine with dragon harpoon. By the way, it is better if you place the harpoon with this angle. Now I will teach you how to operate this. For mobile users, I'll teach you in two ways. So first, use switch and delay. Bind the harpoon with the switch. Set the delay to maybe 3. Or it's up to you. You can do experiment. Then bind the delay with the switch. Bind the glue with the delay. Now for the second option, use two switch, one for the harpoon and one for the glue. To operate this, press the harpoon switch. Select target, then press glue switch to release the harpoon. Alright! Now for PC users, simply bind the harpoon and glue with separate control. For example, F for the harpoon and G for glue. You can add thrusters too. Thrusters must have the same control as the harpoon, whether you're in PC or mobile phone. Again guys, make sure the harpoon and your missile system doesn't touch any part of your build. Oh, by the way, turn off collision of the missile system. This is what will happen if you don't release the harpoon with the glue.
NANI?
See that, guys? By the way, guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe now and click the notification bell and please like and share the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!